Good morning, guys. Now, inshallah, we are
السلام
going.
عليكم.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sorry I'm late, mister.
Who's coming?
محمد العقيل.
Muhammad Lagir. It's okay, Muhammad. Muhammad, I said to know, okay? I said to know that we are going to make lock for the meeting after 7 minutes from the time of beginning of our session. It's okay?
Every day.
Every day. Every
Okay.
day. Okay?
Okay.
Every chemistry session, if the session will begin at 9 o'clock, so I will close it. I will close the meeting and prevent anyone to join us at 7 o'clock. It's okay?
Okay.
It's okay. Thanks, Mohammed. Now, inshallah, we are going to complete our previous session that's called color of light. And we said before that in this, this is the structure of eye, as I said before. Okay, this is the lens of eye, which have convexity shape, so it's called convex lens. This is called eyeball. This is called eyeball. This is tissue. This is tissue is called retina. Is called retina, and we said that it's a black tissue. Black tissue. Why black? Why black? Who can answer me? I said this is idea before. Why black? Mu'taz, can you answer me? Mu'taz, can you answer me?
Mister, can I say?
Assalamu alaikum. Mister,
Alaikum
no,
salam.
just came.
Sir.
Just
Okay,
came.
I say I know. So I asked you as this question. Okay, this is the revision as a session that we said before. It's a previous session. Okay. Good morning, first Mu'taz. Can you answer me, please? Can you answer me, please? Why retina has a black color? If you remember, I think that we said it. We said at the previous session.
Yes, I remember, but I don't know how to say it.
Okay. Why it has a black tissue? Okay, Azuz, can you tell me, Azuz?
Yes.
Yes.
It is used as a shade to protect from very heavy light.
It's okay. Thanks, Azuz. It's a black tissue to absorb large amount of light, to give us a full details about the object that we can see them. Okay, and retina have two different of cells. Number one, as we said, rod cells. It's called rod cells and cone cells. Rod cells and cone cells. Okay, and we said that each cell has structure and function. As rod cells, there are more than 100 million rod. Okay, cells. Okay, Hamad, can you read, Hamad, please, this paragraph?
Okay, mister. Rod cells. There are more than 100 million rod cells in a human retina. Rod cells are sensitive to low light levels. They enable people to see objects in dim light. However, the signals rod cells send your brain do not enable you to see colors.
Okay, thanks, Hamad, for your participation. Okay,
Welcome,
cone cells. Can you read Muhammad al-Jibrin? Can you read the first paragraph about cone cells? Muhammad al-Jibrin. What is Muhammad al-Jibrin? I said. What is Muhammad al-Jibrin?
A retina contains over 6 million cone cells. Cone cells enable a person to see colors. However, cone cells need brighter light than rod cells to function. In every dim light, only rod cells function. That is why objects seem to have no color in very dim light. The responses of cone cells to light waves with different wavelengths to enable you to see different colors.
That's okay. Thanks, Mohammed. After that, the retina has three types of cone cells. Three types of cone cells. Each type of cone cells responds to a different range of wavelengths. This means that different wavelengths of light cause each type of the cone cell to send different signals to the brain, okay, and we see that through optical nerve. Your brain interprets the different combination signals from the three types of cone cells as different colors. However, in some people, the three types of cone cells do not all function properly. These people cannot detect certain colors. This condition is commonly known as color blindness. So, I understood that there are some people that can't recognize all colors, So they have a disease. This disease called color blindness. Color blindness. Okay, this is called color blindness. As this. Okay, color blindness. It's a disease. It's a disease that can cause for our eyes, but is more appropriately called color deficiency. Color deficiency. People with some kind of color deficiency cannot see the number in number 74 in the figure to the right, this figure. I said, who can see this figure? Who can see this number again? Can raise his hand. Can raise his hand only if you can see the number of 74 inside this circle. Who can see, please, can raise his hand. Yahya, can you see it? Okay, Yahya. Saud Adil can't see. Okay, Saud Al-Anazi. Saud Adil can see? It's okay, good. Saud Al-Anazi. And Turkey, can you see number of 74? Saud Al-Anazi. You can't see this number? Can see this number?
Turkey can't see.
It's okay.
Doesn't.
I think that all students can see this number. Okay, thanks for your participation. After that, we are going to move to the another slide. Okay, can lower hand. Please, all participants, please can lower hands. After that, how do the properties of each color of light explain how they appear from white light? Record your evidence in the chart at the beginning of the lessons that we studied before. Okay. These colors, how do different colors of light affect what we see? Okay. Muhammad Lagel, can you read please this paragraph? Muhammad Lagel.
Yes, mister.
Can you read please this paragraph?
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
How do different colors of light affect what we see? You may have noticed at a concert that the colors of objects on stage depend on the colors of spotlights.
Yeah.
A shirt that appears to be blue when a white spotlight shines on it may appear black when a red spotlight shines on it.
Yes.
That same shirt will appear blue when a blue spotlight shines on it. What causes this? What causes this? Let's investigate more to find out.
Yes. If you are, or if you were in any place that has a different color as this, okay, you can see blue color, you can see black color, you can see red color. Okay, how can we see this object by their colors? I said before that when white light falls on an opaque object, what happens to it? This opaque object, I said before that it will absorb all light colors. It will absorb all light colors except its color only that reflect it to our eyes. So we can see the colored object by their color. As example, how can we see red ball by its color? Red ball by its color. Okay, when white light falls on this red ball, what happens to it? It will absorb. It will absorb all light colors except red. Except red that reflects it to our eyes. So when it will reflect it to our eyes, I can see this ball by its color, which is red. So it depends on reflection of light. Reflection of light, okay? But how can we see the object with a black color? Who can answer me? Can raise his hand.
Mister, can I say?
Okay, Azus.
Raise.
Okay, Azus. How can we see black object with its color?
When we see a black object, if there is no light on it, we will see it black.
Yeah, good.
But if we put light on it, it will absorb all the light.
Yes, okay. Okay. Thanks, Azus, for participation. After that, the second slide, okay, that is an activity, different colored object, okay, set to filter red, blue, and green. Red, blue, and green as this spot, okay, this spot, red, blue, and green colors as this spot, okay, and put this spotlight above the object, okay, object 1, object 2, object 3, and therefore red filter, blue filter, green filter. What happens? What happens? Who can answer me? What happens if you put this different spotlight about green filter? Green filter. Who can answer me? What happens if you spotlight on a green filter or blue filter? Who can answer me? Faisal Saleh.
Me, Mister.
Faisal Saleh, can answer me, please?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, can you answer me? How can we show the different object as green filter or red or blue filter by its color? Okay, while we put spotlight on it. What happens? What is the green filter occurs? What does the green filters do? What does the blue filters do? Okay, to can see this filter by its color. Do you have answer? Do you have answer?
No, Mister.
Okay, Hamad, can you answer me? Okay, Hamad.
The green filter will change the color into a green. Will change the light to green.
Wow. Okay. Wow. How?
How? Because when the light goes to the green color, it will
Yes.
absorb all color, all the green
Yes.
color. It will reflect it.
Okay. Thanks, Hamad. Thanks, Hamad, for participation. Okay, this is the true idea. Okay, that is a green filter. Okay, Saleh. Okay, Faisal Saleh. Okay, one green filter absorb all light colors except green that reflect it or pass it. Reflect it if it was an opaque object, so it will reflect it. But if it was the green transparent object, so it will absorb all light colors and allow green only to pass through. It's okay. After that, this is the activity that we are going to explain it now. How do different colors of light affect what we see, color of object? Okay, color of object. Omar, can you read Omar, please? Omar? Omar, Saleh, where is Omar?